Passport, please. Step forward and look at the camera.
Here you go, officer. Is everything all right?
Why are you coming to the United States today, Mr. Martin?
I'm coming on vacation, sir. I want to explore the country and relax.
I see you stayed almost 6 months during your last visit. That's a long time.
Yes, sir. I followed the rules and left before my authorized stay expired.
Do you have any family members currently living in the United States?
I believe that information is private, but I will answer if it's required.
Watch your tone, Mr. Martin. I'm the one asking the questions here, and I expect clear and respectful answers.
I understand, officer. I'm just asking if I have rights as a visitor.
Rights come after security. You seem very confident today.
Confidence doesn't mean guilt. I respect this country and its laws.
Aren't you supposed to cooperate instead of quoting the Constitution?
Cooperation and respect should work both ways, sir.
How long do you plan to stay during this visit?
Just 3 weeks, sir. My return ticket is booked, and I fully intend to leave within the permitted period.
What do you do for a living back home?
No.
Full-time, and I have approved leave from my employer. I've reviewed your travel history. You've never violated visa rules. I respect U.S. laws and always follow immigration rules.
All right, Mr. Martin. Please wait while I finalize my decision. Mr. Martin, your visa is valid and your entry is approved.
Thank you, officer. I appreciate your professionalism.
Welcome to the United States. Enjoy your stay and follow the rules.
I will, officer. Thank you very much for your time and cooperation. Have a good day.